So making the stack of shelves, so I already had these two. I'm making the one in the center. Just sprayed it. So I haven't really been filming the generic woodwork to make these. All I did basically was I made this middle one, and this consists of two panels. They're kind of slotted in together, and I actually started out by doing it the backwards way. So the way this is, you see they're stacked up on top of each other, but I thought of a different way to do it for the front panel because I don't want to see something like this from the front. So for this, what I did was I cut it in slots from the side, you can see here, or from the back, instead of having to stack them. So we do have a little 1 centimeter lip on each one, but from the front it's perfectly straight, which we wouldn't have gotten if we done it the backwards method, because the backwards method has slightly crooked pillars in a way, but you won't be able to see that since it's going to be in the back. But yeah, so I started out doing that way on both sides, and then I redid it because I came up with this method, which is much neater. But that's for the middle one. For the side ones, I already had them done. What I needed to do was I extend it by one, so you can see there's a join here. And then, so since I didn't want to see these in the side, I cut out a 1 centimeter strip, which is these basically. You can see there's a bit of imperfections here. This side's been planed, but yeah, it's like that basically. There was a nail here, and you can see I used PVA glue and loads of clamps to secure them in place, that little strip, so that you won't be able to see those slots where they've been cut. So tomorrow when this is dried, because I needed to join in another one here, I'm going to sand it down slightly, clean it up, and then spray paint it black as well. And tonight before I go to sleep, I'll glue in one more strip on this side as well. Much better. Well, that was a lot of work, but all three of them are done. They're not mounted yet, and I think this one will have to have the leg the bottom leg moved slightly offset, because as you can see we have pipes there, so obviously the first drawer won't be to be fully utilized in a way, even the second one maybe, so we'll have to think about what to do about that. So this is how I decided to mount this basically. So we got a furrow throughout pressure, if that's how I'll describe it. So you can see this is connected to this, and this is 18 centimeters tall, same distance, and they are connected with two 6mm screws into this and this into this. So there's even pressure being spread, so we shouldn't have any problems. Oh, that is just like floating. I need to replace it with these because this is the thickness of the new laminate flooring. Not laminate, what's it called? The luxury vinyl. I think that's the right term. So, okay, I'm actually shocked how well this fits. So look, even though this is like that, this fits all the way in. So I assume the bottom one won't fit in all the way, but how cool is that? They all fit, yay! I'd say I'm pretty much done with this. What I can do still is I can either insert another one of these on top, but I will need to make a little, a secondary shelf like here. To be honest, it'd be quite nice if it was like, almost like round like that, to be honest. That'd be really nice. That would hide away all these pipes away, as well, I meant. So yeah, a little round one like that, and then I could either store all my upright things like tripods, brooms, all the way up there, or I could lift this, but I think this down here would be better. But yeah, this is working very nicely now. I'm very happy with that. So nice and tidy.